Hello, my name is Muhammad Akil Mustafa, and this is our group project for MAT 123 from RCS 1431A. Now, I will introduce me and my teammates. Start from me. My name is Muhammad Akil Mustafa, and my teammate is Muhammad Khairi Suzari, Danish Bazli, and Tengku Muhammad Akif.
Today, I will introduce the first problem, which is a football field. A football field is a rectangular playing area marked specifically for football match, usually covered with grass, natural or artificial. It is equipped with goals to each end, a halfway line, penalty areas, and touchline, and has standard dimension to ensure fair play according to football regulation. Now, we are going to talk about its interesting history. First, let's start from England. Early games were played on open field, but as football became more structured in England, pitch dimension began to be standardized using the imperial system in feet such as 110 by 70 yard. In FIFA standard, today the standard dimension are 105 by 68 meter, although the regulation allow for slight variation. Now, I like to add some history football field in Malaysia. We start from Selangor Club Padang, 1903, one of the earliest football field in Malaya. It hosted important match including event during the Malaya Rules Conference. The second one is Stadium Merdeka 1963, served as the venue for the first international match of combined Malaysian team, Malaya and Singapore, marking a milestone in the evolution of the nation football.
Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Khairi and I want to present about problem statement of football field. Case 1. Anwar once started his business by provide a football field at Kuala Selangor. He plans to build 2 football fields of different sizes, which can be used for 11-a-side and 7-a-side match. He needs to calculate the area required to construct the field and the cost needed to install synthetic grass. Now, I want to present my calculation. At first, I calculate the area for 11-a-side field. The length is 120 meter and wide 90 meter. Using formula of area, which is length multiplied by wide, and I got the answer is 10,800 meter squared. And same for the 7-a-side field, which the length is 50 meter and wide 35 meter, and the area is 1,750 meter squared. Last, I calculate the total area needed by combine the area, and the answer is 12,550. After that, I calculate the total cost to install synthetic grass in Anwar's field. The price of synthetic grass is Rm 22 ringgit 26 cents for 1 meter. Using total area multiplied by price of synthetic grass, total cost Anwar need is Rm 279,363. That's all from me. Thanks.
Hello everyone. Right now, I would like to continue with the next part of the presentation. My name is Danish Bazli and I will to talk about Masbro Village. Masbro Village is a unique boutique homestay in Malacca, famous for its colourful triangular houses like in Australia, offering an English-style accommodation experience with a swimming pool, garden and cooking facilities, which make this place very distinctive and photogenic. Ideal for a family vacation with a staycation concept in a quiet area in Paya Rumput, a short distance from the city centre. Encik Mazlan and his siblings are the owner of Masbro Village, and this place was built and fully operating likely in the 2010s or later. Next, what is the history behind the establishment of Masbro Village? Masbro Village was established as a boutique homestay with the aim of offering visitors a unique and memorable accommodation experience in Melaka. It was developed using a concept inspired by colourful beach hut, particularly those found in places like Brighton Beach, Australia. The founders wanted to create something different from conventional hotel by combining creative architectural design, vibrant colour, and relaxed village atmosphere. Over time, Masbro Village gained popularity among tourists, especially families and young travelers, for its distinctive triangular house and photo-friendly environment. Next is problem statement about Masbro Village. Case 2. Hadi Awang visited Masbro Village in Melaka with his family. He found the buildings to be very beautiful and unique. However, most of the houses had rusty roof. When he returned home, he talked about it and decided to calculate the cost required and how many roof tiles would be needed to renovate the existing roof of Masbro Village.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, teacher and friends. I am Tengku Akif and I would like to present my calculation on the number of roof tiles that be needed to renovate the existing roofs of Masbro Village. First, I calculated the roof area for one house. Each house has a roof with two identical sloping sides. The length of the roof is 10 meters and the slanted height calculated using Pythagoras theorem is 8.7321 meters. Therefore, the total roof area for one house is calculated as 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8.7321, which gives 174.642 square meters. Next, Masbro Village consists of 19 houses. So, the total roof area for all houses is 174.642 multiplied by 19, which equals 3,318.2073 square meters. After that, I calculated the number of roof tiles required. The size of one roof tile is 0.33 meters by 0.42 meters. Thus, the area of one tile is 0.1386 square meters. The number of tiles needed for one house is 174.642 divided by 0.1386, which is approximately 1,261 tiles. For 19 houses, the total number of tiles required is 1,261 multiplied by 19, which equals 23,959 tiles. If the price of one tile is 3 ringgit and 50 cents, the total estimated cost is 23,959 multiplied by 3 ringgit 50 cents, which equals 83,856 ringgit 50 cents. In conclusion, Masbro Village requires approximately 23,959 roof tiles with an estimated total cost of 83,856 ringgit 50 cents. That's all for me. Thank you.